Was there a fire? Do you know? I guess there was something, eh?
What happened was there was an insecure door, and somebody might have been in last night, and they can't continue demolishing the building until they've made sure that there's nobody there.
Oh, okay.
So there's no evidence that anybody was hurt. There's just, because there's a chance that someone could have been in there stealing copper pipes or sleeping there or something like that, they need to do a thorough search before they can continue demoing it. They've got a robot on the other side that the emergency response team is just deploying right now, and they've got thermal imaging happening, and they brought a dog in, so at least we're getting an exercise for our tax dollars. To make sure. But because it's so unstable, for their own safety reasons, the searchers can't actually physically go on the ground because you know, a wall could collapse and they could fall into a spike or something. So yeah. So they're doing it this way. Of course, the reach they've got on that side.
It's really impressive, yeah.
It looks pretty stable too. You know, they're moving it, he's on the end of it, and the thing doesn't look like it's vibrating at all. What he's got there, I think, is thermal imaging equipment.
Yeah, that makes sense.
He's looking for a warm body. And